What's up, YouTube? You got Skunk72 coming at you from hot, sunny Southern California today. Today I'm just running some errands, so there's not going to be any real good scenery. Believe it or not, I'm not going to Thrash and Supply today to spend even more money, although I do have a whole list of things that I would like to get from them eventually. So yes, I do seem to be turning into a little bit of a Thrashing fanboy lately. So what can I say? They're like just good people that just love to ride, they have fun, they make some cool videos, which today's Tuesday, and they have one coming out here in a couple hours, which I gotta get home to watch because I'd like to be on the live chat that goes along with it. As most of you probably know if you've been paying attention at all, which I don't blame you if you haven't been, I competed a couple weeks ago in my very first powerlifting competition. And believe it or not, I won the gold. So I'll go ahead and post a picture of that up here and let you see that. That was kind of cool. I went 8 for 9. I failed my top bench press, but I still got the gold medal. What can I say? There's not a lot of old guys that are competing in these things, so it wasn't like I had heavy competition. So the shocking part just came the other day, which I'm going to go ahead and post up right here for y'all to see. Now, can you freaking believe this? I have the California state record for my age weight division for top deadlift. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know how the hell that happened because my deadlift, it's good. It was good for me. It was a personal best, but it's not like a world-class weight or anything. So I was totally shocked when I found out this news. I had a really great time at the competition. I was nervous as hell until we started warming up, and once I started lifting, the nerves were completely gone. And my son, who is also my coach, he had to drop out. We were supposed to both be in the meet, but he has a lingering knee issue that was flaring up, so he had to drop out. But that meant he got to be by my side the entire time, keeping me amped up and ready to rock. So as I was saying, my son, he kept me fired up through the whole thing and just really kept me motivated and really had a lot more confidence in me than I really had in myself. Because he put weights on there that I never would have decided on. And kind of the way we did it is he was choosing what my jumps were in weight, and I didn't want to know how much was on the bar. But I had a great time, and I think I'll probably do it again. So to close, I wanted to talk about just a couple of random people that happened to come into my life on a couple of different days while I was out working on set. So the first one is going to be a YouTube channel by the name of OTM Cars and Motorcycles. Now this kid, I was working on an overnight commercial in the city of Pasadena one night. A couple people from out of town that happened to be walking by came up and started talking to me. They were interested in the filming thing and what we were doing. And well, this kid from OTM Fitness, he introduced himself. We got to talking, and he was very interested in production. And he told me, "Oh yeah, I run a YouTube channel about cars and motorcycles." And I was like, "Oh, you're kidding me." So I told him, "Hey, I have a YouTube channel too that discusses motorcycles. I'm not big into cars, but my channel's about bikes and weightlifting." So we ended up following each other, and we now follow each other on Instagram also, and just kind of support each other. The other one is going to be a gentleman. I can't remember his first name at the moment, but he goes, I'm not even positive I'm going to have his Instagram handle right, but I'm going to try. I believe it's BTO Fitness. I happened to be working in Westwood one day, and he works for the city of Westwood. And we got to talking. He's a younger guy. He's had his rough spots in his life, but he's grown up and turned into a man, and has straightened his life out and really wants to do something. So personally, I believe everybody deserves a chance to straighten their life out, and I think it's great what this guy's doing, but he also does a lot of weightlifting and is extremely strong. So, OTM Cars and Motorcycles and BTO Fitness, go give them a follow if you get a chance. actually told both of these kids already that I just love it when random good people come into my life at just such weird moments. I really hope that these are like two people that I will be following on Instagram and talking to over the internet for the rest of my life. As a matter of fact, with OTM, Cars and Motorcycles, him and I may end up going for a ride and doing a little dual vlog together at some point. So those of you that remember, I use Vegas creative software to do my editing, and I'm on Vegas 16 Pro at the moment. Well, they're about to come out with Vegas 23. So that gives you an idea how old my software is. And unfortunately, with the new video files, it's really hard to edit. And usually when they're going to come out with a new one, they do a pretty good sale like the month before, and it should be coming out soon, so I'm going to be watching for that, and hopefully I'll be able to update. Because that's the way it stands right now. In order to edit my video, I have to load it all into Vegas, render it one time, and then I can edit the render. Well, the last one that I did, I had like 2 hours of video when I rode to Thrashing and back, and it took 4 hours to do the initial render before I could even start editing my video. Total pain in my ass. And like I said, it's all because of the new files that the new GoPros use. I did download a free trial of the new Vegas and it worked fine. So what it does is my preview window will like almost be single frames at a time, and it just jumps around, so it makes it physically impossible to see what I'm editing. So I'm hoping that they have a good sale again like they usually do, and I'll be able to update that software a little bit, make my editing not take so long. But anyway, I'm starting to babble, so we're gonna go ahead and put this vlog to bed. Riverside down, Shady side up, and I will talk to you all next time.